Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Link continues to follow the bearish wave count here. You will remember that we moved sideways here. Well, you will remember that we've been moving sideways here for months really. In my opinion, all of that can be seen as an elite wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And then that we broke down here already out of the triangle to the downside. We just haven't broken below the B wave low yet. And this is actually quite a bearish setup. We have run here into resistance in this wave too, in a C wave. Yeah, that's my understanding. So basically A, B, C, and we are now coming down. And this is how it would ideally work out by following the bearish wave pattern. Okay, so in this wave count we would eventually reach sort of the region around whatever $3. Okay, I see this happen possibly if Bitcoin really makes a new low. We can currently see very nicely how Chainlink moves completely different to Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we don't need to talk about correlations really. Yeah, we need to take every chart on its own. But in this wave count, we obviously moved down in wave 1, we moved up in wave 2, a very clear three-wave structure here, A, B, C, and then would come down now. And this is how it would play out. So wave 1 done, wave 2 done, most likely, yeah, we hit resistance here. That was the 38.2% FIB level. Then we would move down in wave 3, move up in 4 and move down in 5, or 5, and so on, and complete the bear market. Within this wave 3, we are currently in wave 1. There should be a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And within this wave 1 in yellow, we are in this white wave count, and we've probably done, that would be ideal, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we could now be in the last wave down in a wave 5 of 1. I can also give you a target range for that. And we take the length of the wave 1, we add it to the high of the wave 4, and it would give us as a first target the $6.48 level. I think that would work out quite nicely in terms of the proportions. 650, 648. Yeah, it could stretch all the way down to $6.11. That would be the 1.618 extension. That would be quite strong though. Yeah, I don't see that necessarily happen. Yeah, and this is how it would work out as per the bearish count, the primary count that is. Yeah, but I also will have to show you a more bullish interpretation. And that haven't done that before, yeah, because I told you that really until we break above $9.63, there is not really anything bullish on this chart, and that is still true. However, I think it would not be responsible to not show it to you at all. I always usually try to show you a bearish and a bullish count. This bullish count that I'm going to show you certainly has a much lower probability. I would give it maybe a 35% probability if I had to assign probability to it. The thing is, because I possibly see a small year-end rally starting possibly next week in crypto, and we look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, they are moving. And yes, correlations are always a bit difficult because coins often don't really follow Bitcoin in that case. You know, sometimes you've got Bitcoin rally, you have a lot of coins not moving at all at the moment. So I don't really necessarily want to focus on that, but if we really get a year-end rally and there's some positive sentiment coming into the market, Link might do well as well. And there is certainly a chance that the low was in here. Again, it's not my primary expectation, but because this C wave is a 5-wave move up, yeah, if it's a C wave, it's a 5-wave move up, then it could be, and it's not my primary expectation, but it could be that the bear market ended here and that we are now moving up in a 1-2. If that's the case, you haven't missed anything, because the best trade setup you get is normally a 1-2 setup, and it's up to you to decide if you want to trade this long. But for me, it's too unreliable at this stage. Yeah. But let me show you the possible bullish count. It would mean obviously moving up in 5 waves. If we add the 5 subwaves now to this C wave, yeah, it doesn't really make a difference because the C wave is a 5-wave move anyway. But the thing is, because we made a low here, yeah, lower than the previous low, we can understand this here also as a wave 1, where we start a new uptrending structure. And just to show you the subwaves here, it would be a 1 here, a 2 here in my opinion. Then we moved up in a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5. Just need to change the wave degree. But yeah, this is certainly how it could play out. This would then be a wave 1, and we are now coming down in a wave 2. Yeah, and this could be an A wave, B wave, and now we come down in, yeah, possibly a C wave. Yeah, 1, 2, but also this would come down. I don't really like the structure. It fits better the bearish structure very clearly. Yeah, especially if we break below this low at 677. But I still show you the key support area. If this is a bullish count, what would be the key support and turnaround area? But again, it's not a primary expectation, and I won't really take it seriously until we move above 963. We can take it a bit more seriously if we break above 781, which is this high. But the key support area for this count would be, and that would be a turnaround area for the bullish count, again, not primary expectation, but it would be between $6 and 667. Yeah, if we see a bullish reaction to one of these key supports, either $6, $6.40, $6.67, then we could already turn around here. But looking at the context, and context is very important in Elliott wave, I cannot see that at the moment. Yeah, the context doesn't convince me. And even if there is a potential to turn around here, there are currently much better charts to trade. For example, Ethereum has a much higher probability for me to move to the upside. This here is one where I would really want to wait until I see the move above 963, to be honest, personally. Yeah. But yeah, this is a possible bullish count. So we want to have it on the radar, and I keep tracking it, but it is much lower probability than the bearish main count. Okay, and that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.